Hi family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Lindsay. I'm an entrepreneur. If you're interested in affiliate marketing or a money manifestation vortex of my own creation, you're gonna find all of my amazing resources in the description box below, as well as my about section. So for this video, I'm really excited. It's something that I have been thinking about doing, a little weekly special, and I'll post a short every single week when I'm about to do it, but I'm going to do a little reading, a little spread, and answer a yes or no question for someone in the collective. And so you're just going to drop a little diamond emoji in the comment section. I will respond letting you know that I got you, and then I will post the recording along with a little description of the yes or no, because some of the yeses can have a little bit more detail to them, so I'll explain that as well. So please let me know what y'all think about this. I'm really excited. This one, my diamond has already been chosen for this week, and you know who you are. I'm super excited to answer this question for you. I'm just going to tap in psychically, pull one card, explain it a little bit, and I really hope that it helps and gives you some clarity in your life, and I am sending you all so much love. And if this reading isn't for you, you may still be interested in sticking around if you want to see how it works, if you're interested in tarot or are even just curious about your own spiritual gifts. But with that said, let's go ahead and do this week's reading for my beautiful diamond. You know who you are. Okay, so before we get started, I want to explain how this pull for a yes or no question is going to work. So if we pull a wands card, that's going to be an absolute yes. If we pull a pentacles card, that is going to be a yes, but it's going to come with a price. Now, I don't want you to worry because this can be something as small as a habit or a mindset or something like that. And your intuition is always going to be your guiding light. Let me also preface by saying, don't ever let tarot ruin your life or make all your decisions for you. This is simply meant to be a confirmation of what your intuition is already inkling at you at. So let's move on to the Ace of Cups. If we get a Cups card, that means it's a yes and it's going to come naturally. And then if we pull a Swords card, that's going to be an absolute no. Okay, so I've already shuffled really well and cleansed the energy of my cards, as well as prayed for peace, love, light, and protection over this energy. And I've also, and always do this, pray to have my own energy removed from the space so that it is completely and totally for you, my diamond. So let's get started. Okay, just one card, Spirit, please and thank you. I love this card, by the way. This is a really good one. Okay, so we got the Nine of Cups. I think this card is so pretty too, by the way. Okay, so the Nine of Cups is going to be a yes card. And since it's a Cups card, it means yes, and it's going to come naturally. Okay, so since this was such a beautiful card to get, and it essentially means personal, like emotional fulfillment, I'm going to go ahead and read from my little booklet that explains all of the cards. I think you're really going to like this one, and so I just want to share it with you. So the Nine of Cups, and again, the Jinn steps up to the center stage. A halo of 9 glowing chalices circle their head. The light from a radiant sun bounces off the cups, sending many tiny rays of light down into the audience. The atmosphere is set, and the djinn is ready for her story. She clasps her hands together. Who will she pick? It's time to grant one wish to someone. To enhance one's voice stronger than ever before. Celebrate the performance. And it did come out in the upright, which is important too, I think. So I'm going to also read from the upright meaning, which is wishes come true. Be proud of what you have accomplished. Fulfillment in one's life. Oh my gosh. Best first diamond reading ever. I literally could not be happier that I got to do this for you. Thank you so, so much. I love you. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Consider liking and subscribing, and a huge, huge thank you to my Diamond of the Week. And if this is something that you're interested in and want to give it a go yourself, again, I'll post a short every week when I'm about to do it. And then in the comments of that short, you'll just do a diamond emoji for me in the comments. I'll let you know that I got it, and then it'll be posted that day or the next day. So thank y'all so much again. I'm sending you so much love. Thank you again to my Diamond of the Week, and I will see y'all soon.